Hey, what up, guys? It's Brian here at Austin Auto Finishes. Really just trying to remind everybody we need y'all's love, we need y'all's support. New body shop, baby. Killing it. Beautiful. Y'all saw this the other day. Thing was mangled and smashed in. The age of the car being a standard range, really needed to be at that point, where it didn't total out. But did a flawless repair. When you're OCD like us, like y'all, it doesn't have max clarity right now because we're showing you the steps before we make it a diamond. So we got to sand it, make sure it's perfect, and then we'll polish it all back out. Put the charge port back in. The repair down here in the lower extension was phenomenal. But yeah, your premium Tesla auto collision facility here in Austin. Peace, love, Austin Auto Finishes.